Welcome back! Pupunta kami ngayon ng IKEA kasi nakahanap na kami ng apartment and ongoing na yung renovation na ginagawa nila. Actually, papalitan lang naman yung carpet kasi ayaw na nung may-ari na may carpet. And then, yun. So, pero lumilipat na din kami pa konti-konti. Papakita ko sa inyo yung video na yun. And pupunta tayo ng IKEA. Bibili tayo ng konting furniture na wala kami or kailangan namin. Kasi 2 bedrooms yung nakuha namin. Tapos, konti lang ng mga gamit namin. So, mamaya, samahan nyo kami sa IKEA. Mag-IKEA tayo. Right now, nandito kami sa gasoline station. Nag-deliver siya ng package. Nasa Shell kami. Shell. So, see you later!
Yeah, of course, the first thing you look is food. Welcome to our new apartment.
How about like this? We get one of this one. What's the name of this? Oh, there's no name. Maybe it's included.
Excuse me. Please don't disturb me. I need to watch my series.
Yeah. What?
Sofa paradise. We need a lot of stuff, but what we definitely don't need is a Cecil. So, what can you say about it? It's nice. Security. So guys, what can you say about this bed? Should we starting OF? Leave a comment below.
Oh, what can you say about this one? Is it big? Is that too big?
Out now, fast from this room. You have to live with the consequences if you want to get the tallest cabinet. Also lauf! Lauf, Mädchen! Lauf! Uff.
No?
If you want, up to you. How lost she look. She wants everything and then she cannot decide and then she get nothing, and once we are at home she is irritated and get mad of me even if I do nothing. It's always the same.
Where is it?
It's a little evil, a little depressed evil.
Help me find the things that I get before.
See, like I told you, she looking for everything, she find nothing and then she get mad. Wait for it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Warte. nee, das ist mit Software. Aber da ist was mit Software. Das
You want soft drinks?
No.
Ja, scheiße. Oh.
You want ice cream?
Nein.
Coffee?
Nein.
Drinks?
Faster now.
Sauce do you want? What sauce do you want there?
I open the bag so we get all the. We don't need to buy, we just get it from there. The onions. We will get a bag and take it home.
I want a ketchup. Okay. That's for you.
So
It's too long.
you should be used to it, long sausage. Schmeckt's?
Yeah. Ayan, pauwi na kami dyan. So, yan yung mga nabili namin. Drawers, hindi pala drawers, cabinet, at saka shoe rack. At ito na yung bago naming apartment. Kaso, nire-renovate pa nila yung floor. So, ayan yung entryway. So, yan na makikita nyo. O, diba? Ginagawa pa talaga yung floor. Tingnan nyo. Tinanggal na nila yung carpet dyan. And, dito, yung dating nakatira dito, ang ginawa nila dyan, dining area. Tapos, ito yung small room. Siguro pang, pwede yan pang children's room. So, ayan o, nakatanggal yung mga pintuan. At hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin dyan. Kung pwede siyang i-paint. Hindi kasi namin pwedeng tanggalin yung cabinet na yun dahil nandoon yung mga electricity or something. And ito yung kitchen. Yan yung kitchen nila. So, maraming cabinet. Ayaw lang namin yung tiles. And then, dito, yan yung CR. So, magkahiwala yung toilet at saka yung liguan. So, ayan may liguan. And then, yan ang living room. So, kita mo, ang dami-dami pang kalat. Kasi, hindi pa nga, ongoing pa nga sila. So, yan ang aming living room. And then, dito sa side na to, yan ang master's bedroom. So, ayan, andyan na actually iba naming gamit. At, ito, nandito kami ngayon sa master's bedroom kasi tinatry na namin maglipat kahit pa konti-konti. Buti na lang, inaalaw na kami ng owner na lumipat habang hindi pa tapos. Kasi kakilala naman na, tsaka, ayan nga, para makapag-start na din kami. And okay lang sa kanila yan. Buti na lang mabait yung owner nga. So, yan, ginagawa namin yung aming bed. Kaya napakadaming kalat, 'di ba? So, ayan. Build lang. Nakakatuwa pa lang, first time kong magganyan kasi wala naman sa Pilipinas yan. O orderin mo na lang yung papag sa Pilipinas. Papag talaga, no? Ito pala yung time-lapse kahapon. Naputol na kasi. So, papakita ko pala sa inyo ngayon. Ito na. Ayan na yung bed. Natapos na namin yung bed. And may light din siya. Andali, ko. Sa turn around ko. So, ito na yung bed. May LED light siya. Tsaka nag-change yung color. Natapos na namin. Ayan.
The red light district of Germany.
Yeah. Okay, can you put it in can you turn it off? I don't think they can see it na. But yeah, this is the bedroom. And white lang. So, na-finish na namin. Yan lang. Bahay na kami. Bahay na. Dito na pala kami sa ginagawa namin. Diba? Nagbibuild na naman kami. Ito yung binili namin sa IKEA. Yung shoe rack.
Three layers of rack for the princess.
Yeah,
2 layers or something else.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung living room. Ito yung living room. Pero di pa tapos. Makalat pa. Dito kasi sila nagkakat nitong... What do you call this one, babe? It's a wooden...
Vinyl.
Vinyl. It's a vinyl floor daw. So, ayan. Dito kasi sila nagkakat. So, ito yun. And that's it. Yep. Madilim na, oh. Maganda yung view namin dito. Saka na lang pag house tour kami. Oh, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Cheers.